So this is just mashed up potatoes with salt and black pepper in between two pieces of bread. And you cut it in half. And then you got two little pieces ready to dip in your besan, your chickpea flour mixture. So this little thing can be entirely vegan if you want, but I add a little butter and sour cream to the mashed potatoes, so not quite. So, finishing up the ketchup here. I serve it with, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Let's see if I can get this, a nice little internal shot of the crispiness. Just use some ends of your bread, mashed potatoes, serve it with a little ketchup, you got a good breakfast. Nice little breakfast. I learned this from my wife. Enjoy.